For my STS research, I will analyze the impact of self-driving car technology that manufacturers should consider when making decisions on how to crash. The research will be analyzed using deontological and utilitarian ethics framework. More than 30,000 people are killed each year in the US alone, and more than 2 million are injured. And the problem in 94% of collisions is driver error. There is no doubt that self-driving technology will save thousands of lives. The self-driving cars are already here. Many companies have implemented this technology to assist drivers, but they still need to be able to take over at any time. However, in the coming years, cars are going to take over more and more of the responsibility for driving safely. And that has led a lot of people to consider the moral dilemmas faced when programming self-driving cars.
The question is, what sort of ethical framework should we program into autonomous vehicles?
So it needs to make a decision. Swerve left into an SUV or swerve right into a motorcycle.
So self-driving cars must continuously assess risks and consider making decisions when crashes are unavoidable. Ethics become relevant when it must distribute that risk among other road users because some may not have consented to the risk, and it also needs to decide how to apportion that risk among other road users. This requires values to be weighed by their importance. I explored this decision-making process by analyzing two software which were developed to provide some sort of guidance in situations that require ethics. Jeremy, which measures the utility of any action's outcome by using the outcome's utility intensity, duration, and probability estimated by the user. It is based on utilitarianism to determine the most correct action by providing the best outcome, meaning the least amount of damage is done in this case. The other software called MetaX uses machine learning to determine whether the actions are right or wrong. It is trained using test cases that either violate or adhere to a set of duties, which are given an integer score. It then uses machine learning to determine whether the actions of certain test cases are right or wrong. What we can do is have a combination of the two. We can provide the values and the feedback based on its actions to allow self-driving cars to figure out the best course of action. Thank you for watching.